Let's go across to Nimesh. He's joining us on D Street Chatter to tell us what's he picking up in terms of dealing room. Nimesh, the flows are still negative today, or is there a bit of a turnaround?
Well, looks like the flows are negative. So that's the sense I'm getting, that the FIs continue to be better sellers even in today's market. But if you look at the overall markets, looks like the risk off is going to continue, and that's largely dragged by the financials. Again, for second day running, HDFC Bank is down more than 3% despite such a large delivery-based selling happening in that stock in yesterday's trade. So that pain seems to be continuing in the HDFC Bank stock. Overall, from a earnings perspective, that's where the big reaction is coming in. So earnings is going to be a big dominant trend in the near term. Look at what has happened to Oracle today. In a single day, the stock is up 28%. Vis-a-vis the stocks like ICICI Pru down 6% on weak numbers, and so is L&T Mindtree. So it's very individual, earnings specific reactions coming in today's trade. But from a sector perspective, some bit of traction seems to be back in pharma names. So all the pharma stocks are buzzing in trade today, good volumes as well. But overall, from a flow perspective, the feedback is the FIs continue to be better sellers.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, and stocks?
Well, in terms of individual names, the first stock is Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. A small stock in a weak market, that stock is buzzing and on good volumes as well. I understand the flows are quite strong at HNI. It looks like some larger HNI seems to be quite active buyers in that particular stock. So that's the first name. Second, both BPCL and IOC. Today, the stocks are not reacting. It's pretty much flat, but in both the stocks, expect high delivery volumes, and there is buying interest back from larger institutions in both in all the OMC stocks, particularly BPCL and IOC in today's trade. The third is Voltas. Well, the stock is recovered from intraday lows, but I understand there are very strong sell flows from larger FIs in today's trade. So expect high delivery volumes on the negative side in Voltas in today's trade. And the last is HindwareHome. We saw a very small block, nearly 5-6 lakh shares got traded in the last half an hour of trade in that particular stock. And after that, 2% reaction on the downside in that stock as well. The sense I'm getting is maybe a leading domestic insurance company was a likely buyer in today's block. So the disclosures could be interesting in HindwareHomes in today's trade.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, thank you very much for joining in with all the action from dealing rooms as usual.